Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Hannen kasni ka sipotarik mentau benai nok pra arja khat pra. Kakan Hun Menteri Jong Sorkar, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, Kalasong Jelang, banyak keren halor bon telikiman, ki badan kam bancem rai kerke. Kam tam ki jing terwa jong kitna Sorkar baper banwan ra ki jing penkala. Ki katto ka ne ki kendon an trekam hakini kitna. Kawai ne ki mat ki balai keren ka dei halor ki jing terwa jong kitna ka kot ka khia banwan ra ki jing penkala. Ki katto ka ne ki kendon haka an jong ka Sorkar pedeng ka balatem kom ka Transplantation of Human Organs Amendment Act 2011. Haka ba ka Kanhon Menteri kala pediang bat menjor ya kini jing terwa. Kawai pat ka phang ka balai keren ka dei halor ka jing pan bor katnat penmi boarding electric jong ka jela. Ban pen kalano ya ka Electricity Duty Act ya ka ba ka Sorkar kala menjor. Nang ta ka jing ra katnat GAD ya ka thop jong ki singi shuti jong ka jela Meghalaya. Ne ki state holiday jong snam arjar kat khandai banwan haka ba ka jela kanyo artli ki singi shuti. Kawai pat kamat ka bakham kongsan ka dei halor ka jing patrikam no ya ka jing Siew Tulop cha Nonghikai College ya ka 7 Pay Commission jong ka ni ka jela ya ka wa ka Sorkar pedeng kala patrikam nado ka sitarek ukala lengkot jong snam arja khanreu bat halor ka ni ka Sorkar hakani ka singi kala rai ban patrikam no ya ka ni ka jing Siew ya ki Nonghikai College ki wa hakani ka jela kenthop ya ki Nonghikai jing ki College Sorkar bat ki Deficit College ka jing Siew ya ka ni ka Tulop thamai kan long nado ka sitarek jong penai kala lengkot jong snam arja khanreu haga ba ka Sorkar kan haban pelot ya kapisa napla kaban kon san pupra Klur san lak ndrep khandai hajar khandai spa sa pupra tingka.
As you are all aware that the 7th Central Pay Commission was implemented from 1st January 2016 as far as UGC lecturers concerned. Today, the proposal from the Education Department is that we have also to adopt this implementation of 7th Central Pay Commission in our state for those lecturers who are entitled to. And there are 112 lecturers in the government colleges and also 605 lecturers in the deficit grant in 605. And the total expenditure which has to be paid is 58 crores 5,69,948, and the cabinet has approved the proposal. With regards to the draft Meghalaya Telecom Infrastructure Policy, Meghalaya Telecom Infrastructure Policy 2018. That's why we have taken a lot of time in debating, discussing with this very important proposal, policy. So ultimately, the cabinet is pleased to approve the Meghalaya Telecom Infrastructure Policy 2018, which we have also decided that it will take effective from 15 January 2019. I think you remember, all of you, about the implementation of Meghalaya Minor Mineral Concession Rules way back in 2016. And in the original rules, there was one item which was not included in the minor minerals item, and that item is known as ordinary earth or earth coating. Okay, earth coating, meaning the earth. So now what we do is we included this one because there was some pending case lying in the High Court, and when they talk about earth, it was not there in the item as published in the rules. So therefore, the cabinet decided to approve this proposal made by the Mining and Geology Department.